quick tour of my Kia Sportage 2017 model EX. I'm against the light, the entire wheel, window mirror. My front wheel, my front lights. Very beautiful design. Double sunroof. I will open it later when I have my tour inside. My outside car looks, how it looks. It's hot red color. And later I have a little bit of story for this. That is a double sunroof. This is very beautiful car. 2017 Kia Sportage EX. That's the roof. I will open it later. Kia Sportage EX. I-cover lang natin yung isa. Top shot video. I open just to show you the lightings. I-on ko muna. So I'm ready for my lights for outside. I will show you. So this is the lights. It's turning super bright, sun shining here, so the light, yeah. So that's my right side mirror if I turn right. That's how my car looks. Lahat na ang loob. Malapitan kasi I'm against the light. Hindi siya halata. Malakas ang sun shining dito sa Florida. Kahit taglamig. Steady lights. Wow, that's my new Kia Sportage car, double sunroof. Ooh. To be followed ang loob. Quick tour na tayo what's inside my car. Welcome to my car. Now inside my car, yeah, the Kia Sportage. Yeah, so I will show you what's inside my car at this moment. Yeah, to be honest, time check now is 4:30 in the afternoon. Oh, it's a beautiful weather but quiet, cold. Nice steering wheel, maganda siya. My modes, i-on ko para makita natin kung anong mayroon. My GPS, kung gusto kong magpa-sound pwede rin. My radio, my map, yeah, that's my mga anong to have a check for my gulong wheel. Parang mayroong leak. Let's see. My phone holder. Ito yung aking manobela. To be honest, I always have a cup. Yeah, sometimes I have my thermos. Yeah, so I have this in case. I always have this. Sometimes iba yung nandito as long as lalagyan ng drinks. Aking coin purse, hindi ko na lang buksan. Yeah. Sinsilyo coin purse. The time now is 4:30. This is 1 hour advance. I never set it because I do not know how. Quick tour of my Sportage Kia. Hi! Mirror ni Inday. Car mirror. Ooh, hi! Oh. So, both front, yeah, mayroon siyang mirror. Oops, close muna. Off ko lang muna. Yeah, and everything is off now. My car keys. I always have one extra. That's my car keys. Inside my compartment. Ito siya, panglinis ng aking glasses, yeah. Galing pa to sa Philippines, yeah. Mayroon akong tapes. Pag nag-music ako, pag nag-travel, I have lots for this, yeah. Mayroong panyo there. Hindi ko nalang buksan. This is my cleaning gadgets for my eyeglasses from the Philippines. Yeah, my compartment. So ito yung driving seat. Yeah, of course, wala namang iba kundi ako. So self-drive. This is life in America. So this is what's inside my car. My chair, my cup, my coin purse. I will bring you on my other front seat. Time for my car tour. Oh, charan! Ito tayo sa aking kabilang upuan. Yeah! Yan ako madala. Siyempre, I am the only one driving my own car. This is what's inside my car. Compartment, front compartment. I have my pen because I love pens as always. Yeah. Kung may notepad, especially kung maligaw ako, i-google ko yung lugar and then copy and then put it on my GPS in case my detour. Oh. What my frontal compartment have? A note. Yeah, in case I need it. My pen as always. This is my car registration, of course, and as well as my car insurance. So it's always here, yeah, in case, at least always ready. So ito yung aking front compartment. Yeah, I love very organized. Yeah, I always have my deodorizer. Yeah, konti na lang. I always have my car deodorizer. Yeah, I love very good smell car. So I always have it every day. Iba-ibang klaseng scent ang akin. Ito paubos na. I will buy something new, of course. Extra shoes. Yeah, I always put it down because they said to me, always put something not shown. Yeah, yung madalas makita ng mga tao. So, extra shoes lang in case ulan, bagyo, or whatever, laging handa. So, mayroon akong extra shoes lagi. So, I just put it here. Parang hindi daw halata, parang hindi daw captivating to the eye of the people for the car safety. Before I have a pink rosary, yeah. So, nawala siya. Bumili kasi ako ng isang sasakyan. Nawala siya kasi dala-dala ko yung nagdasal ako kasi malayo. So this is my rosary. Lagi akong may rosary. Ito siya, image ni Senior San Miguel Archangel, patron ng Cebu sa aking hometown. And I respect all other religion. Yeah, I love all religion. So this is my rosary. Bless. Protection. Else I have is this. Ito naman ang aking rooftop. Oh. So since it's so cold, di nakita ito sa aking back. You know what's in my back compartment. Maybe next time because it's already like 4:40 and it's chilling already here. It's winter time here. So this is my double sunroof. So this is my car. So makita mo yung langit, pwede rin tong buksan, pwede ka rin tumayo. So that's my car, and I will bring you at my back seat. Yeah, I will show you what's in there. In my back seat, yeah, ang aking coin purse. Hindi ko na ipakita. Yeah, it's just like part of my, you know, what I bring, yeah, my daily life. Yeah, so it's just here, just let it stay. Yeah, just a quick tour, and I will bring you in my back seat. Let's go. Dalhin ko tayo sa aking back seat. Ganda ng araw ngayon. Yeah. Mga kalbo na yung mga tanim dito. We are here now in my backseat car. So this is my 2 car keys. Yeah, one is extra, one is from my part of those. My daily car key that I brought. Yeah. This is my vanity kit. Pampaganda. Nandito ang aking lip gloss. Hindi ko na lang buksan, yeah. Because I just choose my car tour. I always have my flashlight, yeah, in case hindi natin alam, masabi kung ano ang panahon. So this is my home key. I have also extra, yeah. So my car, a home key, my flashlight in case, my vanity kit, lipstick laman nito, lip gloss, yeah, pampaganda. Lagi akong may face mask dahil pandemic in case required. Lagi din akong may, what's this, hand gloves in case sobrang lamig. Ito yung sa aking back seat of my car. Gloves, yeah, in case super lamig, at least mayroon akong backup, yeah, to keep myself warm. I always have my bonnet, yeah, in case so cold. Kailangan, sinara ko muna ang door because sobrang lamig na. Ito yung aking backup bonnet, head cover in case sobrang lamig, yung nagchichill na. Lagi akong may umbrella, yeah. Lagi akong may umbrella every time I go out. Lagi akong may tangay-tangay na umbrella. Umbrella girl ako tawag. And since it's winter here in America, I have always my coat to keep me warm in case so chilly. So every day I change, yeah. So this is what I have, yeah. At the moment inside, yeah. So this is my coat, winter coat, in case I have so much chill or frozen. So that's what I had at my back. And this is my rooftop. Yeah, so I will open again for the rooftop of my back seat. Pwede ko siyang buksan itong glass, yeah, in case gusto ko mag rock and roll, kasi lang it's super cold now. So this is my car tour rooftop. What's in my car, not really what's inside, but just how's my car look, yeah. And I'm really happy. I'm always happy at what I have and contented, yeah. The rest is a blessing, yeah. So this is a roof, double sunroof car, yeah. At my back compartment, I really want to show you what's in there. I have 4 chairs there, rainbow, because I love adventure. I love outdoor, but it's really cold, so maybe one day, yeah. Of course, yeah, I will have to have my full tour, 2 cars. Kanya-kanyang laman yan. backseat car. So that's my rooftop. Ooh. That's my car, and see you later. I will bring you there all. So ito na yung kabuuhan. So ito na yung kabuuhan ng aking sasakyan. Yeah. So that's the roof. My back. Actually, wala talaga yan sa likod. Yeah. Kaso lang taglamig dito kaya full gadgets for winter use. Yeah, kasi mangingisay tayo sa lamig. So, that's my car. That's it. Enjoy watching. And shout out later. Drive muna. I hope you like it. Aabangan ninyo ang aking full tour. 2 cars. Ilagay ko ang logo ng aking isang kotse. Beautiful. Hope you like my car tour and I hope you enjoy it. So, see you. Weather is beautiful. Oh, beautiful sunshine, but it's already cold. Full tour, just extremely cold. Next time ang aking back. Sara muna ang aking kotse. Okay, lock it. Ang aking earphone. That's what I have for my earphone. Long lasting siya, guys. Yeah. This is what also inside my car. So this is what I use, but today I never use earphone because I'm already chilling. I have so much cold. Okay, so it's locked. So ilock ko ng aking sasakyan after our quick tour. Drive, what's up? Kailangan laging may seatbelt. Let's go! Pag the tour.